How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly transfer your Shopify domain to a different store or a different hosting site or server. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first step that you guys need to take, much like with anything else, is to log into your Shopify account as an admin. So we're basically going to navigate our way through the control panel, and I'll be showing you guys how to get here to this transfer domain page. So let's start from scratch. As you guys can see here, I'm on the home page of Shopify. So one way to do it is to access the settings is to click on your profile icon on the top right and to click on manage account. But the easiest way, honestly, is just to type down transfer domain, as you can see. So this one actually takes you to a shortcut. And the idea here is we want to type down the domain name of our store. So in this case, it's this one. So you just basically want to copy paste it. But I'm not going to do that because I want my store to have the same domain name and name server. But what essentially happens here is once you enter the domain name and hit next, it's going the website is going to take you through a series of steps to actually make the transfer. So we're going to extract things like the name server, the domain type, the address type, and whatnot, and we're going to transfer our store over to a different hosting site. And once that happens, we're going to log into our account for the hosting site that's going to receive our store or absorb our store, and simply hit accept. So once that happens, the actual transfer takes place. So all of the data will be transferred over. So let's pretend that we're transferring our Shopify store to Hostinger. That could work, or WooCommerce or whatnot. And it's important to note that the thing that we need to do here is we want to make sure that both hosting sites are unlocked. So this actually makes the transfer possible. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.